Hi guys, welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at this double integral question on the board. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabest online tutorial. So the question on the board is double integral. We're asked to integrate this function x plus y. So let's get started. Solution. So the first thing we're going to do is to integrate this inner integram and it's correspond with x. So we're going to differentiate with respect to the x. Then before we substitute and differentiate the outer integral with respect to y. Now, the inner integral will have what? Integral and the bound is what? From 0 to 2 x plus y dx. So we're going to integrate this function with respect to x. And recall the integral, we're going to add 1 to the power, then divided by the power. So since we are integrating with respect to x, we're going to treat y as constant. So if you integrate x, we are going to have what? X, if remember x is raised to the power of 1. If you add 1 plus 1 is going to be 2, then divided by what? Divided by the power, which is also 2. Then plus, we're going to treat y as constant. So if you integrate y with respect to x, we're going to have what? Yx is the same as, use this x to multiply by y is going to give us what? Yx. And the bound is what? From 0 to 2. Now we're going to substitute starting from the upper bound, and the upper bound is 2. So we're going to substitute 2 anywhere we see x. So if you substitute 2 here, we're going to have 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Then 4 divided by 2 is the same as 2. Then plus, if you substitute 2 here, we're going to have what? 2y, because y multiplied by 2 is the same as 2y. Then minus, we are going to substitute the lower bound, which is 0. If you substitute 0 here, it's going to be what? It's going to be 0. 0 divided by 0 is still 0. Plus y multiplied by 0 is the same as 0. Therefore, all time here is going to be 0. So, and 2 plus 2y minus 0 is the same as 2 plus 2y. So this is the integral of this function with respect to x. Now we're going to substitute this answer back to the integral, then we are going to integrate it with respect to y. So we're going to have what? Integral of what? The lower bound of y is 0 to 1. Then the new function now is 2 plus 2y. Then with respect to what? With respect to dy. Now we are going to integrate this function with respect to y. We are going to have what? If you remember, 2 is constant, and the integration of a constant is the same as using this variable y to multiply by 2 is going to give us what? 2y, then plus 2y. There's y here. We're going to add 1 to the power, then we divided by the power. We're going to have what? 2y to power of 2 divided by 2. So, and the limit, the lower bound is what? 0 to 1. Remember, if you are substituting, you are going to start from the upper limit, which is 1. If you substitute 1 here, 2 multiplied by 1 is the same as 2. Then plus what? 2 multiplied by, if you substitute 1 here, 1 raised to the power of 2 is the same as 1. Then 1 multiplied by 2 is the same as 2. Then 2 divided by 2, it will give us 1. Then minus, if you substitute the lower bound, which is 0, 2 into 0, then plus what? Plus 2 into 0 square over 2. 2 multiplied by 0 is the same as 0. 0 plus 2 multiplied by 0 is the same as 0. 0 plus 0 all the time here is going to be 0. So we are left with what? 2 plus 1 minus 0 is the same as 3. Therefore, the answer to this integral is going to be 3. So this is how to integrate a double integral. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabest Online Tutorial. Thanks.